Hey everyone! Welcome to our latest weather update. Get ready because March is looking like a wild ride weather-wise. This month, we are anticipating some of the most intense weather patterns we've seen in a while. We're expecting multiple major storms this month. These storms are predicted to bring heavy rain, strong winds, and possibly even flooding in some areas. That means lots of severe weather possibilities. Lightning strikes, severe thunderstorms, and storm clouds gathering are just the beginning. Think damaging winds, hailstorms, and even tornadoes. These events can cause significant damage, so it's crucial to stay informed and prepared. And for some of us, more snow might be on the way. Heavy snowfall and snowstorms could create hazardous travel conditions. It's going to be a busy month for sure, so stay tuned for updates. Make sure to check your local weather forecasts regularly. We'll keep you informed every step of the way. Our team of meteorologists is working around the clock to bring you the latest information. Safety is always the top priority. Remember to have an emergency plan in place and know where to take shelter if severe weather strikes. Right now, we've got a storm brewing in the northeast. That means showers and maybe some rumbles of thunder for our friends up north. Meanwhile, a cold front has swept down from Texas all the way to the Ohio Valley. That's bringing a noticeable temperature drop for those areas. Brr, time to break out the sweaters again. On the west coast and the northern plains, things are looking pretty dry thanks to high pressure. Now, let's talk about the jet stream. This powerful river of wind, high up in the atmosphere, plays a crucial role in shaping our weather patterns. It's like an invisible force that can bring about dramatic changes in our daily weather. You know, that river of wind high up in the atmosphere that loves to mess with our weather. Well, it's not just a random occurrence. The jet stream is influenced by various factors, including the Earth's rotation and temperature differences between the equator and the poles. Well, it's about to dip south next week. This shift can lead to significant weather changes, especially for regions that lie in its path. When the jet stream dips, it can pull down cold air from the Arctic, causing temperatures to plummet. That means a blast of cold air is headed straight for the Midwest. Residents should prepare for a sudden drop in temperatures, which could lead to icy conditions and snowfall. It's time to dig out those winter essentials and brace for the chill. Get those winter coats ready again. The Midwest isn't the only area affected. The jet stream's movement can also impact other parts of the country, bringing varied weather conditions. And down in California, keep an eye out for a cutoff low on Saturday. This weather phenomenon can lead to isolated severe weather, including heavy rain and strong winds. It's essential to stay informed and be prepared for sudden changes. That could bring some isolated severe weather risks. These risks include thunderstorms, lightning, and even the possibility of localized flooding. It's a reminder of how dynamic and unpredictable our weather can be. Then things ramp up even more on Sunday and Monday in the southern plains. This region could experience severe thunderstorms, hail, and even tornadoes. It's crucial to stay vigilant and have a plan in place for severe weather events. Hold on tight because Tuesday through Thursday is looking particularly intense. The Storm Prediction Center has already issued a deep south outlook for Tuesday. We're talking about a system moving in from the Pacific Ocean, getting stronger over the Rocky Mountains, and then bam! It could be one of the biggest severe weather outbreaks of the year. The main danger zone is along the Mississippi River Valley on Wednesday and Thursday evenings. And the excitement doesn't end there. The second week of March is shaping up to be just as active. That jet stream is going to keep dipping and diving, which means more chances for storms to develop. We could see 2 or 3 more rounds of storms between the 1st and the 15th. And as we get closer to April, well, let's just say things might get even more interesting. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, give us the details. You want to know exactly what to expect so you can plan your week, right? Well, let's dive into the specifics. How much rain? How much snow? How cold is it going to get? These are the questions on everyone's mind as we brace for some wild weather ahead. Well, I'm getting to that. Let's start with the rain. For those of you in New England, it's time to get those umbrellas ready. We're expecting a few inches of rain in New England. This could lead to some localized flooding, so be cautious on the roads and keep an eye on weather alerts. Up in the upper Michigan Peninsula, Wisconsin, and eventually Michigan by Friday night, get ready for some serious snow. This isn't just a light dusting. We're talking about a significant snowfall that could disrupt travel and daily activities. We could see 6 to 10 inches, maybe even 12 inches in some spots. Make sure you have your snow shovels and winter gear ready. It's going to be a winter wonderland, but also a challenge to navigate. The Northwest will stay dry, but the southern plains could see some isolated severe weather, especially with those evening storms. Keep an eye out for lightning and potential hail. Temperature-wise, the Ohio Valley will be a bit warmer than usual. It's a great time to enjoy some outdoor activities, but don't forget to stay hydrated and wear sunscreen. But for the northern plains and parts of the Rockies, you're looking at below-average temperatures right into mid-March. Bundle up and make sure your heating systems are in good working order. And the Northeast? Well, get ready for another round of Arctic air. This cold snap will be intense, so make sure you have plenty of warm clothing and avoid prolonged exposure to the cold. Temperatures could plummet 20 degrees below average. Brrr! It's going to be a frigid few days, so take all necessary precautions to stay warm and safe. Of course, we're still a little ways out, and the weather models don't always agree. Weather can be unpredictable, and conditions can change rapidly. We'll keep a close eye on things and give you the latest updates as they come in. Stay tuned to our channel for real-time weather reports and expert analysis. Your safety is our priority, and we're here to help you navigate through these weather challenges.